We offer mobile detailing services to the Spring, Magnolia, the Woodlands, Conroe, and surrounding areas. I'm Oscar with R3 Detailing, and we can handle any interior and exterior detailing needs that you may have. If you need your interior deep cleaned, if you need your headlights restored, if you need an engine cleaning, or if you need a premium wash, a wash and wax, we can do most of the services at your home, office, or work location, assuming we have permission and enough space to work there. Now, for some services like paint correction or smoke odor removal, those would have to be done at our shop location, which is just down the street from the Willowbrook Mall, just because those take a lot more time and require more extensive work, and we can only do that here at our shop, as being mobile, the weather, the elements, the area just might not be the best environment to do those specific services. But other than that, most of our services can be done mobilely at your location. Our van is equipped with all the necessary tools and equipment, so we have our own water tank, pressure washer, generator. All we need is access to the vehicle, enough room to work, and we can get the job done. As far as payment, you can pay by cash or card, whichever one you prefer. We prefer you pay by card, but if you want to pay by cash, that's absolutely fine. That's up to you. We also service many other areas like the greater Houston area, Katy, Atascocita, Humboldt, downtown, midtown, basically the entire Houston area and surrounding areas we do service. So maybe you live in Katy, but you actually work out in the Woodlands or Spring. We can go to both those areas based on your schedule. We try to do our best at scheduling the earliest or the best time and date that works for you. And if that means going to a different part of town based on your schedule and where it's best to do the service, we'll try to do that for you.